Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making vegetarian biryani. So let's start cooking. There are two parts of ingredients for the vegetarian biryani. For the first part, you'll need 2.5 cups of basmati long grain rice, which I've just soaked in water for half an hour, 1 cup of mixed carrots and peas, 4 tablespoons of light olive oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tumeric, and 3 to 4 cups of boiling water. For the second part, you will need 1 diced onion, 1 cup of raisins, 3 tablespoons of light olive oil, 1 teaspoon of baharat, biryani type. Then we need 3 yellow potatoes that I've just peeled and diced, and some canola oil for frying. And this is how your vegetarian biryani should look like. Serve it with some Assyrian salad and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!